Ladies and gentlemen, in this video, I'm going to show you 5 things that you need to know about your Tesla Model 3.
You're making it brighter, right through the gray.
Hey, it's Taylor, this is EV Electric. We're doing this video in 5 minutes, so I better hurry the heck up. First one, we're gonna get in the car. This is, what the hell is this one again? I call this tap swipe because this is a huge thing with the screen, and while you're driving, it's really annoying. Let me hop in and show you. So let's say you're driving, right? And you need to access your navigation or something like here's something that's really annoying. I'm just gonna put in a random address. When you are here and you wanna minimize this while you're driving, I have the hardest time trying to do that, right? But all you need to do is tap. Once I learned about this, that was a game changer for me. If you want to do something here, just tap. Need it bigger? Just tap. Need it back to small? Just tap. That is so much better, but more importantly, safer than going like this and trying to figure this out while you're driving. And this mostly plays a role when it's bumpy and it's harder to hit these things and do that kind of stuff. So that's tap, right? There's also swipe. So instead of going like this or like this, you can just go like this. That was another one. Once I learned about that, it was like a total game changer. It also works for the volume. So you have 3 different ways to do this. Very important, very cool, because you want to find the best way for you while you're driving to ensure your safety. The next thing I want to talk about is hood alignment. Now, if your hood is disaligned, this is a pretty easy way to do this. It does require 2 people though, but check it out. So to align your hood, you need 2 people. And what you would do is loosen these, and same thing on the other side. Loosen those. Once you have it loose enough, you can get the hood down here with another person holding it, and you can actually shift it forward, backwards, left and right, and diagonally. And why I say 2 people is because one person has to get it there. When you get it there, they will retighten at least 1 bolt, and that should tighten it on each side, and then you will be able to crank all the bolts down after that. Pretty easy. I actually did it because my hood was badly misaligned right here, and it definitely looks better. It's now even on both sides. Number 3, this is for you guys that are in like the snow mostly, or like mud or dirt. This is another way around slip start. So what I've noticed is that slip start kind of sucks sometimes, and it really doesn't slip enough when you need it. Let's check out Dino Mode. This is how you do Dino Mode. Keep in mind, this is a developer setting, so Tesla knows when you do this, and if there is any damage to your car around the time of using this that they can think it's from this, they will use that to try and go against your warranty. But how you do this is you push on the brake, you're gonna hold the T like that, and then you are going to do dyno test. Hit OK. And there you go. Dino Mode. This is so you can, and look, you've got a lot of warnings here, but this is so you can slip a little more out of the ice or snow or whatever it is that you're stuck on. And to get out of this, go in park, and then you just get out of the car, let it lock, give it a second, and then you're good. You can also turn it off by going to safety and security, and you just have to power off the car and then wait a couple seconds and power it back on, and it will be gone. It's kind of freaky seeing all that stuff up there, but it really can save you sometimes. Number 5, this one's definitely a rare one, but it's happened to me and it may happen to you. If your charger wand gets stuck in your car and it glitches and you can't get it out no matter what you do, there's actually an emergency release lever to get it out. Now when you go to the trunk, it's right here, right behind the charge port. And let me try and get a good angle for you. All it is this right here. It's this little black piece that's kind of hanging there, and you could flick it around. It has a wire attached to it, and this is the handle, and all you need to do is give it a nice pull. Now what that's gonna do is that's gonna force the charge port to unlock, and you can at least get that charging cable out of there so you can be on with your day and get off of there. This can be caused by a couple of things though. This may be caused by a glitch in the charging port, a glitch in the charging wand, or your car has malfunctioned somehow. And the final one is a super easy one that you guys should always do. If you want to maximize range, mostly on like a road trip or something, but you're cold and you need to turn on the AC or something to get heat, always start with the seat heaters and turn that on, because that is so much more efficient than running the AC and getting heat in the car. Ladies and gentlemen, that is going to finish up this video. Thank you. If you liked it, hit the thumbs up button and maybe subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Peace.